Now hold on one goddamn minute. I know KK ain't on here telling y'all my recipe. That was my mama's recipe, her recipe. And she on here just telling
Ooh, this is me. This is who I am.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Simply K. Simone, and Mr. He just won't go away. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys how to make Nana's cornbread. Now, don't tell her that I'm doing this, cause y'all seen Nana. She might get me. But I love y'all, and I want y'all to make some good cornbread when it's buttery and it's moist and it's good and it ain't jiffy. We rebuking the spirit of jiffy in 2020. All right, y'all, let's get to it.
hold on one goddamn minute. I know KK ain't on here telling y'all my recipe. That was my mama's recipe, her recipe. And she on here just telling and I see her little ass. Well, I guess y'all the faves and we family, so keep going. Keep on going. Finish showing them. Have fun.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. If you did like it, go ahead and thumbs it down. Just say, you know what, that's not my cup of tea. But if you liked it, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications and make sure they're ringing. Again, you guys, this was so much fun. My nana ain't too mad, so I think we okay. Peace and blessings, you guys. Have an amazing week.